You see, I was watching a video yesterday where somebody was talking about separation of Nigeria, and I saw a lot of comments under that video. A lot of people were saying Nigeria should separate, Nigeria should separate, and all of that. And the solution to us as a people, it is a change of mindset. Because I've asked a lot of young people what they are ready to do for Nigeria and what they will do if they found themselves in position. A lot of them said they will loot Nigeria. A lot of them have said they can't die for Nigeria. You can imagine if you go into another nation with that kind of mindset, the mindset that you cannot die for a nation, the mindset that you cannot make a sacrifice for a nation. How do you think that kind of nation will survive? The nations you admire today, the nations most of you pray to be their citizens, those nations, their citizens made a lot of sacrifices for those nations to be what it is today. And you as a Nigeria, you said you can't die for Nigeria. You said you can't make sacrifice for Nigeria. And you expect Nigeria to be better. Do you think if you go into Oduduwa Republic with that kind of mindset, if you go into Ariwa Republic with that kind of mindset, or you go into Biafra with that kind of mindset, do you think that will change anything? And let's learn from what is happening in other African countries. You have seen that creating more nations from Nigeria is not a solution to us as a people. What we need is a change of mindset. The kind of mindset that we need to come together to make sacrifice for Nigeria, for Africa to be better. Because this creation of other nations from Nigeria will not solve our problems if we don't change our mindset. Let's learn from what is happening in Sudan and South Sudan and other nations in Africa. We need to first change how we think. We need to first change how we support and what we are ready to do for Nigeria. That is the only way we can get it right. And that is why I'm coming out to talk to Nigerians as the number one politician in the world. The one that has solution to this problem we are facing today. It's not about creation of more nations from Nigeria. It's about us changing our mindset and what we are ready to do for Nigeria to grow as a nation. And if a lot of Nigerians understand, then we'll be able to unite to build Nigeria. A change of mindset and the sacrifices we are ready to make for Nigeria to be better is the solution to our problems. Thank you and be viable.